सिप्रा टिके recording option अपन आडू दियंतु.
Yes, ma'am. It's already on.
Thank you.
Continue.
Good morning all, and namaste to all my seniors. This is a very good opportunity for all of us because we are going to introduce the HIV syphilis dual combo kit in our state. So at the outset, I would like to request to our APD madam to just say a few lines so that we can just initiate the orientation program. Dr. Anjana ma'am. I feel she is not connected. Then I request PD madam to give a inaugural introduction so that we can just start the program.
Trupti. I have joined.
Oh, okay.
Good morning all. Good morning all. I welcome Director FW Dr. Panigri sir, Project Director Dr. Sanjukta ma'am, and all the participants to this virtual platform. All of you know that recently we have introduced HIV syphilis combo kit in Odisha. Odisha is the first state in India to introduce the HIV syphilis combo kit in PPTCT program. The purpose of introducing the dual kit is to eliminate both HIV and syphilis from mother to baby by the end of 2020. And to reduce the gap of HIV testing versus syphilis testing of all pregnant women, because always there is a gap. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନସି ମଦରଟେ ଆସୁଛି ଆଇଦର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲ କି ସବ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲରେ ସବୁବେଳେ HIV ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ହେଇଯାଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଫିଲିସ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ 2019 ରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲୁ there is a huge gap. So to reduce the gap ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ବହୁତ ବଡ ପ୍ରୟାସ ରହିବ ଓଡିଶାର ସେଥିପାଇଁ କି ଆମେ lot of thanks to NHM also. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଆମର ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ସଞ୍ଜୁକ୍ତା ମ୍ୟାଡାମଙ୍କୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବି ସେ ଫ୍ୟୁ ୱାର୍ଡ ଡେଲିଭରେଟ୍ କରିବେ.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ନମସ୍କାର. ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ୱେଲଫେୟାର ଡକ୍ଟର ବିକେ ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ, ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟର ଯେତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଡିପିଏଚଓ ଏଫଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମର ଓସାକ୍ସ ର ଯେତେ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ସର୍ବୋପରି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଇ କାମ କରିବେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟର ଯୋଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ୱେଲଫେୟାର ସେକ୍ସନ ଆଉ ଡିପିଏମୟୁ ର DMRCH DPM ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମକୁ बट ओरिएंटेशन को आमे वेलकम करूची. जदियो एटा गोटे शेड्यूल ओरिएंटेशन नथिला तथापि जेतु प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन रे कोनोसी असुविधा न हुए मैं छोटो ओरिएंटेशन गोटे टर्म कंसंट्रेशन नेतिलु एंड मु एटा कहिबर के काहे कि ना एटा गोटे ओसाक्स रो एटा गोटे एफर्ट नहे এটা গোটে কম্বাইন্ড এফর্ট NHM ओडिशा डायरेक्टर फैमिली वेलफेयर एवं ओसाक्स तीनोटी डिवीजन हेल्थ रा मिसिकरी ए प्रोग्राम टी को इम्प्लीमेंटेशन केमती सक्सेसफुली हबो ताकू देखिया को पड़िबो. आ हमरा एम कोन रहउची जे हमें जो HIV सिफिलिस कॉम्बो किट नैचू सेटा केमिति फुल यूटिलाइजेशन हबो वर्ल्ड रेस्पॉन्स फील करूची बा आपण भी फील करिवे जे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडीपीएच एफडब्ल्यू मानक ऊपर एटा पूरा पूरी निर्भर जे प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन केमती सक्सेसफुली हबो. जो हमर पीपीटीसीटी प्रोग्राम बा एमटीसीटी प्रोग्राम जोटा हमर ओसाक्स तरफ रु चलीची एनएचएम सपोर्ट रे चलीची एवं आमे जो डुअल कॉम्बो किट प्रोक्योर हेची तार एटा एनएचएम सपोर्ट रे ही प्रोक्योर हेची. तेणु मु एनएचएम को धन्यवाद दउची जे से माने हमको एते सपोर्ट करूछन्ती एही कारण पई. आ हमर मैडम जेमती कहले गैप रहउची एचआईवी टेस्टिंग आउ सिफिलिस टेस्टिंग रे सब बेले हमें गैप रहउची. सब टेस्टिंग होउची किंतु रिपोर्टिंग रे प्रॉब्लम रहउची बोली एटा गैप हमर बेसी रहउची. तेणु गोटे बहुत बड़ा वेलकम मूव जे हमें टेस्टिंग का करि परिबा जदी हमें VHSND किंबा UHSND रे ए टेस्टिंग टा करि परिबा. तेणु केवल एटा म्हणजे VHSND रे हबो UHSND रे हबो नाही एमती किछि माने नाही. तेणु सब जगह रे हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करबा को चेष्टा करबा ताले हमर अचीवमेंट बेटर आसीबो. यार कंसर्न कौन रोची गोटे हला रिपोर्टिंग ट्रेनिंग एंड रिपोर्टिंग ट्रेनिंग हमर आशा माने करूचन सॉरी एएनएम माने हेल्थ वर्कर फीमेल मेल से माने टेस्टिंग रा प्रोसीजर जानि चंदी एवं से माने करि परिबे तेणु आउ ओरिएंटेशन बिना आउ किछि ट्रेनिंग दरकार बोली मु तांको भाबु नाही किंतु एडीपीएचओ एफडब्ल्यू को गोटे रिक्वेस्ट जदि से मानन को डाकी करी एमओ मानन को सीएससी एमओ मानन को डाकी करी गोटे ट्रेनिंग देबे से माने तांगा मंथली मीटिंग रे डिसेंबर 1 रे आमे जेहेतु लॉन्च करबा को ए प्रोग्राम चाहू छु डिसेंबर 1 के पूर्वरो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे ए ट्रेनिंग एवं सीएससी लेवल रे एटा फिल्टर डाउन करी फील्ड को जेमती ट्रेनिंग टा कंप्लीट हबो सेटा देखिबा बहुत जरूरी
एटा क्लियर एमटी कर
एवं आईसीटीसी हमर जो एलटी माने अछंती से माने सपोर्ट करिवे जे ए
सुनि परिए
से माने आमे जेमती सपोर्ट करिवे प्लीज रोहितेश बाबू अनुगुंडा रोहितेश प्लीज आपण म्यूट करंतु डिस्टर्ब करंतु नाही प्लीज सो
नो म्यूट
प्लीज म्यूट करंतु तेणु ए सेंसिटाइजेशन ए बहुत जरूरी थिला जे आमे आपण मानकु जणैबु जे आमे कोन करबा को जाउछु तेणु एडीपीएच एफडब्ल्यू को मानकु आ डायरेक्टर फैमिली वेलफेयर को मोर रिक्वेस्ट जे प्रोग्राम टा जेमती सक्सेसफुली इंप्लीमेंट हबो आ गोटे रहउची जे प्रीवियसली जे आमे देखिछु जेतले पीपीटीसीटी प्रोग्राम पे किट जाउतिला लॉजिस्टिक्स कौन जाउची और केउटी यूटिलाइज होची तार ट्रैकिंग सक्सेसफुली हेई पारी नाही आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू से एवं जेहेतु डुअल सप्लाई होउतिला किछिटा ओसाक्स हमर एचआईवी टेस्ट किट दोतिला पीपीटीसीटी पे जाउतिला टेस्ट किट एनएचएम थ्रू रे एनएचएम फंड सपोर्ट रे ओएसएमसीएल प्रोक्योर करी दोतिला किंतु डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे कहार आईडिया नथिला जे को किटा कोठी को जीवो एवं लॉजिस्टिक केमिति ट्रैकिंग हबो तार कोनोसी कायदा कटकणा नथिला किंतु जेहेतु एटा कॉम्बो किट एवं कॉम्बो किट गोटे स्पेसिफिक पर्पस पे जाउची तेणु एटा कोठी यूटिलाइज हबो फिक्स्ड एवं तार लॉजिस्टिक हमको ट्रैक करबा को पड़िबो एवं तार रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करबा को पड़िबो सो तृप्ति को मोर रिक्वेस्ट से माने बसी ए गोटे फॉर्मेट एबे डेवलप करिवे जदि पूर्वरु करितांदे भलो हितांदा एवं ताको शेयर करिवे डिस्ट्रिक्ट संगरे जे ए हमर लॉजिस्टिक हमें जेति की टेस्ट किट दोचु सेटा केमिति डीएचएच रे किबा सीएससी रे यूटिलाइज हबनी केवल फील्ड रे ही यूटिलाइज हबो काहेकि ना हमर निदान रे सब टेस्टिंग मैंडेटरी टेस्टिंग रे हमर एचआईवी और सिफिलिस आसुची तार लॉजिस्टिक सबोठी सबु सीएससी पर्यंत अप टू सीएससी पीएससी न्यू अवेलेबल होची नॉट ओनली सीएससी पीएससी न्यू रे भी अवेलेबल होची तेणु ये जो कॉम्बो किट जाउची सेटा केमती मिस यूटिलाइज न हो अरे एचआईवी टेस्ट किट हमर नाही एटा नेई करी कर दी दबा एटा केमती न हो काहेकि ना हमर ओसाक्स रे भी जो एचआईवी टेस्ट किट जाउची बे सफिशिएंट सप्लाई अछि सप्लाई रे कोनोसी प्रॉब्लम नाही एवं जदि भी किछि प्रॉब्लम हुए
मैडम करो
Madam, you are not audible.
Madam, kindly unmute yourself, ma'am.
हां
Vertical आपनकर voice.
अनम्यूट करबे मैडम सुना जाउनी इट्स हां ठीक है
ऑडिबल नहीं मैडम अनम्यूट करी कोंतु
हेलो हां
सेटा मोर इटा गाय वीडियोटा बड़ ये आसला बड़ पळेला हटा
हाँ हाँ
स्क्रीन ऊपर
जनरेटर कौन कौन आछि
मैडम आपण अनम्यूट करंतु मैडम
हाँ
हां मु कर
हाँ
दउची
से इंटरनेट बोल मारे
पुनी म्यूट
आइला
म्यूट
हाँ और रखे सब सुनता हला सुनता मो बंद कर चलिबा बंद कर देबी हाँ तुम सुनता जेतला बंद कर मत कहबो होला हम सुनिबी हाँ
हेलो मैडम आपण अनम्यूट करंतु आपण काडू म्यूट हे छी
संयुक्ता मैडम आपण अनम्यूट करंतु हो सुना जाउनी वॉइस आपनकर तृप्ति मैडम कड़े गले
हाँ मैडम सर मो अछि सर मैडम मते प्रेस करी
हां
तांको आडू करिया पड़ियो सर हमें तो तांको हां हेले बे अनम्यूट हेले
हेलो सॉरी फोन जे कटि गला पूरा डिस्कनेक्ट हे गला
हां हां मैडम
कोंतु
सर मो एबे डायरेक्टर फैमिली वेलफेयर को रिक्वेस्ट करबी से आपन को किछि कहबे
thank you madam for your encouraging words respected director nursing Kamosax and all the staff of COSAX and NHM.
Sir, sorry to intervene. We have with us the national consultant NACO also, Dr. Sudha.
Acha. Respected national consultant, I welcome you all to this orientation meeting. A very good morning to everybody. So this is a very nice occasion to be with you all because it is a very important program for our state because these are the two most important diseases like HIV and syphilis. These two diseases are transmitted to the fetus. So if we can prevent this, so we can achieve our goal, that is elimination of mother to child transmission. So the risk of transmission in HIV is around 15 to 45% to the newborn, and also to that extent in case of syphilis. But these two transmissions are quite preventable if we can diagnose early and treat. The transmission to the fetus will be prevented. So after the community screening is introduced in 2017, the screening for HIV has been increased up to around 90%. But the most important part, it is not during the early trimester, which is very important for us. Early trimester detection is only 50% or 40% like that. So that has to be increased. And also most cases, the screening for syphilis is not done. It is a neglected area. So there was a need for development of this combo kit, which is going to be launched from World AIDS Day, December. So today this is an orientation training for the district level staff, just to orient at the same one sitting, single prick, both HIV and syphilis can be detected early, so that we can prevent transmission by proper treatment of the pregnant mother. So all should take it seriously, and as Director Nursing has told, misutilization has to be prevented. This is only for the use in the community level, that is VHND session. This should not be used in facilities like STH, DHH. It has to be ensured that this combo kit is utilized only in the VHND session, and at that session we will detect both HIV and syphilis at the same time with a single prick. Other tests are also being done in the VHND session like hemoglobin, malaria, sugar, etc. The same sitting, the same prick, these two diseases, HIV and syphilis, which is having a devastating effect on the fetus and the newborn, that can be prevented. So I will request all the participants to be critical to be serious, to utilize this combo kit in an effective way in all the cases. So there must be 100% screening of all the ANC cases, and that too during the first trimester. Early screening is very important so that we can institute treatment and cure the disease or prevent the complications. So again, I welcome you all to this orientation meeting, and I hope all will cooperate and we will be able to do elimination of the mother to child transmission. With this, I conclude my remarks. Thank you all.
Thanks a lot, sir. Now it is our pleasure to invite Dr. Sudha ma'am, who is our national consultant for the BSD program. Ma'am, are you there? Few words, ma'am, so that it will be encouraging for us to again start the program. Sudha ma'am. It's not audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
There is some internet problem, I think, connectivity.
Yeah, she is disconnected. So just we will wait for 2 seconds. Are you there?
Can you go to next agenda when
Yeah,
Madam?
yeah. We will just continue, and when she will join, we will again.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, she has some problem with the mobiles and sent a message that she is joining from her laptop. And in the meantime, we will go directly to the agenda. And as per the today's discussion, we will just give a half-an-hour session in which the EMTCT achievement will be there and the community level.
Hello. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Again, we will discuss certain things regarding that community level screening, because at the community level screening is the best practice of Odisha, and which NACO is going to adopt and replicate in other state also, for which we have made a documentation with one district and also with different stakeholders, those who are working with that. And after that, we will discuss certain points on the combo kits and the procedure and how to just continue with these combo kits, and the reporting, recording, everything we will in a snapshot discuss all over that. And I would now request to Sipra madam just to share the slides so so that we can go directly to the presentation. So again, good afternoon all. As you all know, this is a pride situation for us, because in India, nowhere the HIV syphilis combo kit has been started, but Odisha is taking the pride to introduce it in the PPTCT program for the first time. It is definitely a learning session for us, and what sort of learning we will get within these 3 months, we will definitely find out the gaps and challenges and accordingly try to mitigate all those things. Next slide. The purpose of this use of combo kit is mainly due to the will be assigned to the elimination of mother to child transmission of HIV and syphilis target, which is set by the Sustainable Development Goal and also NACO. Also, so as per the target, we need to achieve the target of zero pediatric infection or elimination of pediatric infection, both dual HIV and syphilis, by the year 2020. But the 2020 is very nearer, so it will be difficult to achieve, but still then we will continue it up to, and NACO has estimated now that at least in another 2 to 3 years we need to achieve that dual elimination target. And when we will devise certain strategy and mechanism, we will do the activities, definitely we will definitely reach to that target. And after reaching that indicator, there is one WHO guideline and criteria affixed by WHO, in which we need to just assess our district and our state, and if that indicator has been met, then we will just request NACOD to come to us and validate us and do the external validation, and if it is suitable for the to meet that criteria, then the Odisha and maybe in few declare as EMT city. That means free of HIV and free of syphilis so far as that pediatric infection is concerned. Next. As per the guideline of the elimination of EMTCT age assigned by WHO, the criteria is we will need to see the impact criteria for 1 year, and the process criteria will be for 2 years. That means we will just validate 2 years data. Suppose we are going to validate during the year 2021, then we will take the data of 1920 and 1819 and see whether we have made that indicator or not. And with the process criteria of 2 years, impact criteria for 1 year need to be achieved. Then what is the process criteria? Process criteria includes ANC coverage should be more than 95%, and HIV testing coverage should be more than 95%, and ART coverage should be more than 95%. That is the global target of 95, 95, 95, so that EMT function. And this is for HIV, and for syphilis also the same indicator for process criteria for 2 years will be followed. When we will follow the process criteria for HIV and syphilis for 2 years, the impact will be like this. That is the MTCT rate, that is the mother to child transmission rate, will be reduced to less than 2%. And without any intervention, age guidelines suggest the transmission rate is more than 30%, and with proper intervention, it will be reduced to less than 2%. And we will discuss what are the activities we need to do so that the less than 2% transmission can be achieved. Next please. This is the process indicator. That means we need to see these indicators for 2 years. There are 10 indicators as per the criteria approved by WHO. That is the number of new registration within this 2 years. Then the HIV, there are 5 indicators. For syphilis, there are 4 indicators. We will not go directly and detail to this all indicator because our purpose now today is for the dual introduction of dual kit. So we will share these slides, and whenever there will be any gap assessment done at the district level, we will again arrange certain that is the training program for knowing the verification of data quality and the EMTCT process indicator. Next. Now, what is the need for introducing this combo kit? Because so far as Odisha is concerned, this 95-95 target, I will show you in next few slides. We have to some extent achieve so far as the ANC registration is concerned. And then why we are requiring to introduce this combo kit when India has not till now not introduced? The background is MTCT of HIV syphilis is a significant neonatal morbidity and mortality. It is around 30% in 3 stages. That means from a mother to her baby, HIV infection can be transmitted without, if not any intervention is taken, that is 30%. During the first stage is during pregnancy, then in labor, and then in breastfeeding. And it can be reduced to less than 5%, less than 2% maybe in the non-breastfeeding population, and in the breastfeeding population it is 5%. If proper intervention can be taken. Likewise, if maternal syphilis can be untreated, it can cause advanced pregnancy outcome. That means if a mother has got syphilis disease and she is pregnant at that particular point of time, then it can lead to stillbirth, spontaneous abortion, fetal loss, preterm, LBW baby, neonatal death, and congenital syphilis. But both these HIV infection and infection can be, it is a doable kind of thing. We can just prevent this morbidity condition of this newborn baby. So, basing on this and realizing this, WHO has prioritized the EMTCT, that is the elimination of mother to child transmission. That is, when we will take the proper intervention, the transmission rate can be reduced and we will get a healthy baby, and there will be no morbidity and mortality condition so far as these two diseases are concerned. Next. So WHO has recommended that to achieve this EMTCT, the first antenatal visit of a mother and during the first visit, the HIV syphilis test should be given prioritized. So, what we need to do? Government of India during the year 2014, realizing this WHO target, has introduced that there should be utilization of HIV screening. That means all the mother need to be screened for HIV and for syphilis. But the problem is that this universal screening can only be done at the facility level at that particular point of time. So we in Odisha, what we have done, we have just saturated the HIV and syphilis to the DP level and up to the PSC level, by the result of which we have achieved 92% of HIV screening, but the first trimester test is only 40%. And again, here we can see that to achieve the EMTCT, the first trimester testing
May I
is
interfere?
49. Why it is 49?
Madam?
Because, hello?
Hello,
हाँ,
ये मैडम
Please,
वीडियो गुड़ा को बंद कर दियंतु, someone is showing
yeah. Sipra madam, just can we switch up all this video, because the participants are unable to, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me 2 minutes. You continue with your presentation. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
Someone is showing the bare body.
Yeah. In Nokia 2.2.
Nokia 2.2. Please close it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Minimal knowledge they do not have.
Yeah. So, as WHO has suggested, HIV or syphilis transmission can be drawn starting from the first trimester also. So, although we have expanded the screening to all facility level, we have achieved 92% of HIV testing, but we are unable to achieve the first trimester testing, by the result of which the transmission of mother to baby has been occurred during the period of pregnancy, because mothers are approaching for antenatal screening at VHND level, but where if there is not any problem or pregnancy related complication, they will not visit to the facility level. So we need to saturate the HIV screen to the community level. Government of Odisha has approved community level screening in 2017, and Balangir is the first district to introduce it, and subsequently 11 district has saturated the community level screening to all the VHSND and UHSND session site, and rest district have just piloted and started in few blocks, in many of the blocks till now. The lesson learned in Odisha is recognized by NACO, and NACO has urged to replicate it in other states, for the result for which OSAX has made one video with the collaboration of UNICEF for disseminating all these lessons learned to other states also. So next. Now I can show the achievement within this last few years. When we have introduced the screening at all the facility level, our screening coverage is 92% till now. But it is against the HMIS ANC registration. But in comparison to the estimated pregnancy, we have achieved 71% of HIV testing. So a long way so that we can eliminate. Next. This is our estimated number of HIV positive cases. That is, as per the estimation said by NACO, Odisha should have 485 cases of HIV positive mother. But during the year 2019 and 20, we have got 334 cases. That is, the achievement is 67%. That means we are losing certain mothers who have HIV infection, syphilis infection, but we are unable to catch hold with them. So we need to go to the community level and search that mother, those who have not offered with the HIV and syphilis testing. But so far as the criteria is concerned, that is the ART linkages and also the viral load suppression, to some extent we have achieved. You can see from this indicator on ART situation, what sort of mother has been identified as positive, we are able to link them to the ART services. Now our task is to identify the gap of 33% around mother who have got, but they have not been offered with HIV test. Next. The best practices of Odisha, as I have already discussed with you, that has been now given to NACO, and I would like to just show you the videos here over here, how the HIV screening or syphilis screening can be done at the community level, and it will be a lesson for other district also, those who have not started the screening till now. So far as this community level screening is concerned, we have saturated fully to 11 districts. Partially it has been done to 16 districts, and there are 4 districts, those who are yet to start this HIV screening. That is the Bauch, Sambalpur, Khordha and Nayagarh. But they are in the process, and hopefully within next 2 weeks, they can also start. And what are the challenges for this community level screening till now? That is the procurement of refrigerator, procurement of thermos, and utilization of kit transportation cost. So I would like to request all the participants, that is officer, those who are listening to now or participating, to look into their district where this gap is lying, so that we can mitigate all those gaps also. So I would like to request Cipra now to run the video of community level screening. Cipra madam.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Should I play?
Yeah.
Is it audible, ma'am?
No, ma'am, it's not audible.
Okay. Now?
No, it's not
Every
audible.
child deserves a healthy
Yeah, it's audible.
Audible, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
start to
Thanks.
life. A right step.
वॉल्यूम थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम दीजिए, हो गया.
Sorry, ma'am, you're saying something.
या थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दीजिए उसको.
Ma'am, this is the last volume you can
Okay,
get
okay,
access.
then let play, please.
Yeah.
Healthy.
Not at all audible.
For a mother, keeping her child well and in good health is of prime importance. The government of Odisha's initiative to prevent HIV and syphilis in children is a significant step to ensure good health for all children in the state. HIV and
Audio is not there, Cipra ma'am. Hello.
Just a second, ma'am. I'll try and play it somewhere else.
Okay,
Give me
okay.
2 minutes. You can
Okay.
continue with your presentation, by the way.
Yeah. There is some problem with the video, so she will just run in 1 minute, and beyond before that we will just continue with the presentation.
Is it audible and visible now, ma'am?
Visible but not audible actually.
Okay.
a
Now?
right step at
Yeah.
the right time has given this mother and her child a happy and
Is it
healthy
audible
life.
now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Keeping her child well and in good health is of prime importance. The government of Odisha's initiative to prevent HIV and syphilis in children is a significant step to ensure good health for all children in the state. HIV and syphilis infections can be transmitted from infected pregnant women to their infants in 3 stages, such as during pregnancy, delivery, or breastfeeding. In the absence of any intervention, transmission rates are estimated to be around 30%. This rate can be reduced to below 5% with effective interventions, which include early detection through antenatal screening and prompt antiretroviral treatment for HIV-positive pregnant women. The government of Odisha is committed to meet the global target of elimination of pediatric HIV infection by 2020. The government of Odisha has initiated testing for HIV and syphilis at the community level since December 2017 and has included it as part of the routine antenatal care services being provided at the Village Health Nutrition and Sanitation Days or VHSNDs and Urban Health Nutrition and Sanitation Days or UHSNDs. Community level screening is fully saturated across 11 districts and is being rolled out in the remaining districts. The HIV syphilis testing kits are procured by funding from the National Health Mission. They need to be stored between temperatures of 2 to 8 degrees, for which 9
Some problem in audio again, Sipra.
kits.
Now it's
Services have
audible.
also been procured from the sub-center's untied funds and are used to carry the kits from the PHCs to the session sites. A health worker collects the kits on the day of the BHSND each Tuesday and Friday from the cold chain point. At the ANC session, the ANM conducts a complete package of tests for the mothers, which include hemoglobin, blood sugar, malaria, HIV, and syphilis. The information is recorded in the RCH register and the MCP card. Capacity building of service providers at all levels has been supported by UNICEF. Prior to tests, all the records are filled up. In order to identify the ANC, the serial number of the mother is noted down in the testing cassette along with the timing of the blood sample collection, and the result is read within 5 to 20 minutes. In the non-reactive cases, the reports signed by the medical officers are provided to the ANC mothers in the subsequent BHSND session. All the reactive results are referred to the nearest ICTCs with a reference slip. An ASHA worker also accompanies the mother for confirmatory tests to be done at the ICTC in the nearest health facility and receives an incentive of ₹100 for the same. As soon as a mother tests positive for HIV or syphilis, she is enrolled for antiretroviral treatment. The counselors at ICTC provide psychosocial counseling to the positive cases and help the family for an institutional delivery.
HIV screening figures of the district was 9%. That has now increased to 100% in 2019.
So this will help us early detection of the infection and initiation of early treatment.
Our achievement at the end of this quarter is 96% coverage of all pregnant women who have attended these sessions.
UNICEF is committed to support the state government in achieving this very important goal.
We require to initiate the mother at least for 6 months of early drop.
माँ को मध्य आमे प्रेरणा दउछे जेमति भयभीत न हे एरो चिकित्सा निमंते से आगभर हेबो
मेडिसिन देले खाइली भलो हेली पिला भलो छी मुई भलो छी
एचआईवी गली अंगनवाड़ी को टेस्ट कली मते बाहरिला नाही आ अन्य मां मन जाय कि एचआईवी टेस्ट करते.
The HIV syphilis screening at the community level demonstrates strong convergence and synergy between OSACs, NHM, Government of Odisha, and UNICEF.
Thank you, Sipra. Can we now go to the presentation again?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the community level screening which 11 districts are perfectly now doing, and other 16 districts have now also expanded to many of the blocks. Now we will definitely request, and in the last PBDCG steering committee meeting also, in the presence of Director Family Welfare Sir and PD Madam, it has been decided that district those who have not started will definitely be communicated to start it again. So and if there is any challenges, they can also let us know, so that if any state intervention is also required, we can also support for that particular point of time. Next, please. Now the rationale for combo kits. If we have achieved near about 72% of HIV screening so far as the ANC registration is concerned, and 71% against the estimated pregnancy, then why again we require the combo kits? So so far as data is concerned, out of the total estimated pregnancy, the HIV screening coverage is 70%. Actually, what has happened initially before 2 years, the target and the denominator for HIV testing for the PPTCT program was ANC registration. But keeping in view the estimated number of HIV positive cases and syphilis reactive cases, NACO has just suggested all the state to compare it with the estimated number of pregnancies. So our denominator here is again 70 estimated pregnancy, and the coverage is 70%. Whereas the syphilis screening is only 50%. Then if the mother is approaching to the VHSND session site and the same mother is offered with the HIV screening, then why there is a gap of 70 and 50%? So here the combo kits will definitely address this gap, because there are certain reason or challenges. Sometimes the HIV kits are available, sometimes the syphilis kits are unavailable, and if it all the individual kits are available, there are reporting issue. So these two reports, there is some variation. But the introduction of dual kit will reduce the gap of HIV test and syphilis test coverage, and also enhance the fast trimester testing coverage. Then how come it will be enhanced? Because if we are going to introduce at the DHSND and UHSND level, the mother who is approaching at the session site, they will be offered with this test both for HIV and syphilis, and in one test, this test result can be obtained. And Odisha is the first state in India, as we have already discussed, to introduce the HIV and syphilis combo kits in the PPTCT program. Next. This is a dual kit action plan which we have made, so that we need to work for a quarter or 2 quarters and see what are the lesson learned and replicate thereafter in the 3rd and 4th quarter also. So far as this implementation of VHSND dual kit is concerned, we will implement it at the VHSND platform. That means focus is on fast trimester testing. And as you all know, in Odisha there are 6,688 sub-centers. That means in all the ANM, those who are conducting the session site, we will equip with this dual kit so that they can perform at that level. And for this VHSND and UHSND testing, these kits need to be stored at the definite temperature, that is the 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. So since last 4 to 5 years, at state level in different meetings, we have just developed policy, and the outcome of that policy is that we are now able to 175 numbers of refrigerator with the support of NHM and RKS fund, and also the state budget, that is the Sampurna fund. So out of the total 1232 numbers of PSC in Odisha, we are now able to procure refrigerator for 975. And these refrigerator points, that is the PSC, are the cold chain points for doing the HIV and syphilis screening at the VHSND session site. And the linkages to treatment, how it will be happen? Suppose one case will be identified at the VHSND session site, that mother will be linked to the block level for this, that means the confirmatory test. And if at the block level, the block PSC standalone ICTC is not there, they will again be linked to the standalone ICTC, those who are which are situated at the CSC level, SDH level, and also the DHH level. Likewise, we have got 218 numbers of standalone ICTC, which is from medical college hospital to till CSC level. Likewise, we have got 39 numbers of DSRC, that is the where syphilis treatment is being given. And for the pediatric treatment, we can refer that baby to the SNCU also if there is any sign and symptoms is there. So in the correct data management, what we are doing the handwritten format, and collated the block level data and putting it in the HMIS and also at the SIMS reporting, and we are retrieving the data. So we need to focus on the data collection also. So what are the next step? That is the key activity across the different phases. First is supply chain management, and the second is training for healthcare provider. Then third is strengthening linkages to care and streamline the MND, that is the monitoring and evaluation. That means these are the 4 steps which we need to do simultaneously so far dual kit proper implementation is concerned. And at first the supply chain management, that means under the supply chain management what we will do, NHM has provided funds to OSMCL to procure, and the OSMCL has also done their job. That means they have tendered it, and also the supplier has now supplied the kit to 27 numbers of districts, excepting 3 districts, that is Raigada, Baleswar and Sambalpur. These 3 districts have not till now got the dual kit, and as ascertained from the supplier, they said that tomorrow only they are releasing that kit to these 3 districts also. That means within a week 30 district warehouse has also will get that kit. So it is my request to all the ADMO, FW sir, and also the PSR, DTO sir, those who are attending this meeting, just to see whether their store has received that kit. But as the data collected from OSAC's level, from our counselor, they have said that the numbers of kit and the which was sent to them from OSAC, they have already got at the district warehouse level. Now under the supply chain management, directly the vendor has supplied or the supplier has supplied to the district warehouse level. Now our work begin at the district level. How to just send this kit to the block PSC level, from the CSC to block CSC where the block warehouses are there, and block CSC it will be sent to the PSC where the refrigerator units are there, and from the refrigerator units how it will be sent to the sub-center level, that is the sent to the ANM or the BHSND session site to do the dual test kit. So this is again a plan, and which we have already sent from our PD level 1 communication, the micro plan of the BHSND training, and in which the other all other districts are doing the individual test kit test now, and the formula and the mechanism and the strategy will be same for this dual kit also. That means we will follow the same micro plan which has been disseminated earlier also, and we just need to follow it and push up it again. So far as the training for healthcare provider is concerned, at the community level screening when we have started, we have already done the training with the support of UNICEF, with the support of Plan India, and with the support of Aruna, that is the POFO, and no doubt our counselor has also taken the lead in the dissemination of information at the sector level also. So the training, separate training is not required. Still then we have discussed and we have decided that in the virtual platform we will just do the dual kit training. It may be for half an hour orientation for all the ANM, because only there is certain differences in length so far as the individual kit is concerned and the dual kit is concerned, and all other reporting and strategy will be same as they are doing for this individual community level screening. So the strengthening linkages to care is concerned, it will again be the same which they are doing earlier also. And so far as the streamlining the MND and the monitoring evaluation is concerned, we need to give focus on this, and whenever our district program officer or implementators are going for the RCH review or any TB related kind of thing supervision, they need to see this EMTCT indicator also, and also the implementation of dual kit at the BHSND session site. Next please. So I have already discussed all those things, because the supply chain management OSMCL vendors supplied already with the district warehouse, and the district warehouse has not started dispatching at the block, because in the OSMCL software they have not done the active for this kit. But as I got the information from the vendor and also from the OSMCL, quarantine is not required for this kit. So we will request the OSMCL to do the stock active, so that the district warehouse can release this stock to the block warehouse also. And the district distribution plan to be prepared basing on the estimated pregnancy or ANC load of all blocks. That means since the kit is now available at the district warehouses, all the block program manager of NHM along with the pharmacist, along with the counselor will prepare one indent for indenting all those kits for their block in one go. And these kits needs to be transported in cold boxes because it is required to 2 to 8 degree centigrade. Use the cold boxes available at the district warehouse or district level, and once we will transport that kit to the CSC, again the CSC will plan to send it to the PSC because there may not be refrigerator available in all block warehouses. So it need to be sent immediately to the refrigerator point. So the indent should be made in that way only. Then the kit will be supplied in 10 tests per packet. Actually, we have given the indent to OSMCL to provide it in 10 tests per packet. But due to certain confusion or miscommunication, the vendor has again said that they are unable to do that, and they are now sending it in 20 tests per packet. But in the next, when in the next quarter we will indent to OSMCL, we will request them for 10 tests per packet, so that it will be easy for our ANM to take one packet to the BHSND session site, or it can be distributed to all the BHSND session site. So with this test packet, in one packet there are 20 tests now, and there are lancet, there are buffer, there are positive and negative control, there are alcohol swab, reading manual, etc. All these are available along with this, and we have ensured from different district also. All these items are available. Next, these items are actually required for this test. Now, the from the we have already discussed the above 2 points, and the third point is concerned kit to be sent to BHSND and the UHSND session site come with the support of thermos. That means the district and block, those who have procured the thermos, they need to use that. And if thermos is not available, they can for the time being use the Vesian carrier of immunization, because on the immunization day we are not taking that kit, and on Friday and Tuesday we are doing the test. So till the procurement is done, we will not stop the screening of HIV and screening at the BHSND session site. We can use that Vesian carrier and immediately try for procurement of that thermos out of the sub-center untied fund, because all policy letters have been communicated to the district, and if at all there is any problem at district level, please try to find out it and sort out this issue for procurement of thermos, so that this can be transported to the session site. Again, there is one ₹75 cash assistance for transportation of kit from cold chain point to session site. That is the Sampurna budget, and in most of the district these funds has not been till now utilized, and if it is not been utilized, it will again create a problem for us in future for projecting that cost at the NHMPIP. So it is my honest request to all our program officers or the implementators and sir, madam, those who are just participating, to see to it so that this 75 cash assistant can be utilized. And the guideline is that if any kit is unused, that is the dual kit is unused at the session site, it will again be sent back to the PSNU refrigerator point, so that there will be no complication in maintaining the cold chain of this particular dual kit. Next. This is the combo kit which we have received 1 month ago, and 27 district has already received, and these are the items which is there within that kit, and all manual is there, and it is very easy, anybody can see to it, and it is can obtain all that guideline also. Next. And this is the preparation procedure, because in the individual kit and it is the dual kit, only 1 to 2 difference is there. Otherwise, the same guideline is so far as the preparation and procedure is concerned. So prior to preparation, we need to see carefully instruction of use, look at the expiry date. If expired, then use another lot. Open the cassette packet and check for cassette and silica gel if it is available there or not. And what is the procedure? These combo kits can be used both in serum and plasma specimen and also in whole blood specimen. But as we are doing the test at the BHSND session site, we will do with the whole blood specimen. Next. And for whole blood specimen, the ANM need to collect 20 UL of whole blood by using a micropipette or train UL 2 times. That means if in one go she will not collect, then 2 times she needs to take the blood with the micropipette. Then add collected whole blood to the specimen well of the active of the device. That means, as you have already seen in the cassette, there is one well where that blood sample need to be put, and that she need to add 2 drops of buffer into the specimen well of the cassette. It is as equal to the individual HIV and POC kit. Next. Then the reading time, there is only a variation over here, because in the individual kit, the guideline was the result should be noted or read within 20 minutes. That means 5 to 20 minutes is the timing. But in case of the dual kit, the result to be read after 15 minutes. That means when the blood sample will be collected, the timing will be reflected in the cassette, and after 15 minutes, she will start reading it, and from that 15 minutes to next 20 minutes, she can read that, take that sample. And if the total 35 minutes is crossed, then that sample need to be discarded, because it may again lead to false result. So the timing need to be very carefully seen, because otherwise there will be a chances of false positive and false negative also. So here the guideline is read the result after 15 minutes till up to 20 minutes. That means 15 plus 20 minutes. Within 35 minutes, all work will be done. A slight variation in guideline from the individual kit. Then what is the interpretation? The interpretation is as equal to the individual kit. In the individual kit, what we have done, we are using 2 cassette only. But here the cassette is 1, and there are 4 bands in that cassette. That is one C band, one 1, then 2, then T. C means control band, 1, 2 is for HIV 1 and 2 positive, and T is for syphilis, that is syphilis reactive cases. That means again there the interpretation can be of 3 types, that is maybe negative, maybe invalid, maybe reactive. So in case of negative, there is 1 band appears in C band. That means when there is 4 bands, only in C band if it is appearing, and in 1, 2, T there is no band, then we can say that it is a HIV negative and also syphilis negative cases. Then when the sample will be invalid, when there is no band appears in any of the bar, that is C, 1, 2 and T. If there is no band, then we can see that test kit has got certain defects. That's why it is invalid test. Next. Then how to know the syphilis reactive? If it is a syphilis reactive case, then bands appear in C and T. C means control, and if a band is also appearing in T, then we can say that it is a syphilis reactive case. Syphilis non-reactive, how we can read? Bands will appear in C and no band in T. That means if there is band in T, then it is a syphilis reactive. If there is not band in T, then it is a non-reactive cases. Similarly, in case of HIV reactive cases, band may appear and in 1 or 2 or and 2. That means control band should be there, and if the band is appearing in 1, then we can say that it is a HIV reactive HIV 1 case, and if band is appearing in 2, it is a HIV 2 type 2 infection, and it is appearing in both 1, 2, then both the infection is there with the mother. Then HIV non-reactive, how we will read? Band appears in C and not in 1 and 2. That means it is a non-reactive case. But in case of both syphilis and HIV reactive, band appears in C, T, 1 or 2, or both 1 and 2 along with T. If T, there will be band in T, there will be band in any 1, 2 or combined 1, 2, then we can say that mother has got both syphilis and HIV reactive. Next. This is all about this dual kit. There is no certain variation so far as the individual test kit is concerned. Only the variation is there are 2 cassette used in the individual, and in dual kit there is only 1 cassette, and in only the timing of result which we are going to read is there is a difference in individual kit. Why I am narrating the individual kit over here is that there are certain stock of individual kit at various PSC level. So we need to just use that kit, otherwise it will be get expired. So a clear-cut message or information to be given to all our ANM that if there is any individual kit, first use it, and the timing of reading should be 5 to 20 minutes. If that has been exhausted and they are going to use the dual kit, the timing of result reading will start from 15 minutes and it will continue thereafter to 20 minutes and not beyond 20 minutes. This is the only difference in that. Then why we are going to use this dual kit, all of us are now aware, because only the target is to eliminate both the dual infection of HIV and syphilis. And how we are progressing, NACO has suggested to know from our EMTCT fast track committee. That means to evaluate, to know the gaps and challenges, to devise mechanism to mitigate the gaps, we need to frame certain district EMTCT fast track committee under the chairmanship of our district magistrate and collector. That means in state, we have already formulated there are NHM OSAS Convergence Committee, and in which principal secretary is presiding that meeting. It is the EMTCT fast track committee of state. But at the district level, we need to constitute one committee where already the member list has been shared, and basing on that, 10 district has also formulated the EMTCT fast track committee, and the districts are Balangir, Ganjam, Balesar, Khurda, Angul, Nayagad, Nabarangpur, and Malkangiri. They have constituted. Now our request is to other 20 districts to appraise the matter to their DM and constitute the committee. And the committee will meet once in a quarter, and in that committee and prior to that, the district team comprising of NHM officials, OSAX official, and AHANA team member will just analyze the data and find out all the gaps and challenges. They will appraise their program officer. Program officer will again appraise to the district CDMO sir. Then it will be appraised to district collector if any specific intervention is required for a particular district. Once it will be put in the quarterly meeting of the EMTCT fast track committee, and subsequently all the 10 indicators which we have narrated initially as identified by WHO to meet the EMTCT criteria will be fulfilled. The district can just send a letter to PD do the validation or external validation, and if all the indicators have been met, then we can say that is the EMTCT free district. And as we are seeing from the DEX review of the data of HMIS and also the SIMS, it has been found that few of our districts may also get this EMTCT certification. We need to do the validation now. So for these purposes, there is one campaign funds also, that is which is sent by NACO, and we can utilize that campaign funds, and OSAS is now going to distribute that funds to all 30 districts, in which we can do certain activities like the EMTCT fast track committee meeting. We can do the camps, and we will suggest the activity, and if at all you are also finding certain new activity, you can utilize that funds. And it is our request from OSAS level to utilize within December also, so that we can see how it and where the district in achievement is concerned they are lying, and accordingly we can just think for this validation of district. And initially, like the Kayakalp assessment and like the labor room standardization, we will definitely do one internal assessment, and in internal assessment, if we will succeed, then we will do the external validation, and if in the external validation the criteria will be met, then we can see that that district or that or any of the block in particular district will be the EMTCT. Like the polio free, as we have just declared earlier, we can say that it is also EMTCT free if all the indicator has been met. Next. This is all total regarding the dual kit. I will definitely thank you, sir, DFW sir, and also our PD madam, because when we have received our that dual kit in Odisha, they have communicated to our APD madam that to just start one orientation for all the program manager and let them know and introduce that kit so that it will be easier for them. So it is all total regarding this presentation. Now I would like to request whether Sudha madam is there. Hello.
Yes, Trupti. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Sipra, you can just close the presentation now. It is over. Now, I would like to request Sudha madam to say few words so that it will again be an encouragement for all of us.
Thank you, Trupti. Good afternoon to all. And it was an excellent presentation made by Trupti. I was trying to connect earlier also, but my desktop was not working. So now I've connected to laptop and I got the opportunity to hear Trupti and the video that was shown by Shikha, I suppose. So I congratulate the team of Orissa for taking this initiative. This was a very important, requirement of the program, as has been highlighted in the initial speech by somebody from Orissa, that there is an urgent need to fill the gap between HIV and syphilis tests. And we all know that out of the 29.9 million women that we have, we are able to test only 57% for syphilis, and there remains a gap of 43%. So now that you have introduced one dual kit, and we are impinging that VHSND side, this kit will be available and we will be able to test the women for both HIV and syphilis with one prick. I think this gap will be reduced, at least in the state of Orissa. So excellent initiative, and I think for all districts this will be universalized. Once it has been introduced in one district, I think most of the districts in Orissa will get the benefit of getting this test kit available. And the video which was shown was very, so encouraging, that I had taken this video in the meeting that we had for EMTCT recently, and Trupti was the person to show this clip to all the participants from other states also, and they all were very appreciative of the initiative that has been taken by the state of Orissa. So congratulations once again, and I'm very hopeful that Orissa will keep on taking such initiatives in other components, and other initiatives also will be there from the side of Orissa. Thank you, Trupti. That's all
Can
from
I
my
have
side.
your video once open, please? Will be.
Video, yeah, why not? Yeah, Trupti, I'm in my room only, and hello to everybody. And I think once I come to Orissa and this lockdown is over, I'll be able to meet you in person also. But as of now, I think virtually we are able to meet very often. We'll be having a BSD review very soon, and that time also we'll be talking in detail about all your initiatives that the state takes, because there's so many things which Orissa takes, and Trupti conveys me the same day, the day she takes the initiative, the information comes to me, and I feel very encouraged and happy also about it. So I'm very glad to hear from Trupti and from all the other participants, and my congratulations to the whole team of Orissa. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you.
Now, yes, ma'am. Now, any question from any of the participant, and thereafter we can listen the concluding remarks of our PD Madam Director, sir. If any queries is there, all are requested to just, I am inviting to all of them. If any queries are there, we can meet for another 2-3 minutes. So, and after that, we can concluding remarks of Director sir and PD ma'am.
So there doesn't seem to be any queries because chat box is empty also in the beginning of the meeting. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲି ଯେ chat box ରେ question put କରନ୍ତୁ, କେହି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି. So ମୁଁ କିଛିଟା ଏଠି କହିବି ଯୋଉଟା ADPH FW ମାନଙ୍କଠୁ ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଥିଲି ଯେ କିମ୍ବା DMRCH କିଏ ଯଦି କହିବେ. One thing ଆପଣ PSC new ରୁ immunization site କୁ ଆପଣ ପଠେଇବା test kit will be difficult. So for the time being ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆମେ stick କରିବା cold chain point କୁ. DFW ଯଦି agree କରିବେ that will be reasonable for the time being now. କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ cold chain point ରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ vaccine ପଠଉଛୁ ସେତିକି ବେଳେ carrier, କାହିଁକି ନା most of the hard to reach unreachable area ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ target କରୁଛୁ, ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ through ଅଲଗା human resource utilize କରି ଆମେ vaccine ପଠଉଛୁ. ତେଣୁ cold chain point ରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ରଖିବା testing kit, that will be better rather than PSC new. ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି କହି ରଖେ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବୁ PSC new କୁ ଥାଉ ନଥାଉ ଆମେ as per ନିଦାନ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ରେ ଆମର ସେଇଠି ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ବି ହଉଛି, जोतिका फार्मासिस्ट हरिका ट्रेनिंग नेइतिबारु आमे सेतिकी करि परिचु and I am very much thankful to NHM for that initiative. किंतु एबे जदि आमे देखिबा आमे केवल कोल्ड चेन पॉइंट रे फोकस करिवा हमको वैक्सीन संगे टेस्टिंग किट कैरी करने को सुविधा हम आउ रेफ्रिजरेटर भी कोल्ड चेन पॉइंट रे तो निश्चय अच्छी सीएससी रे जदि पीएससी वेरी फ्यू पीएससी न्यू आर कोल्ड चेन पॉइंट्स तेणु एटा हमको वर्तमान पे हमको तृप्ति फोकस करने को हम नंबर 2 हैला इम्पोर्टेंट छोटिया हो कि माइनर चेंज हो कि बड़ चेंज हो वी हैव टू ट्रेन देम फील्ड लेवल रे ट्रेनिंग इज अ मस्ट कैंपेन फंड जहाँ अच्छी एडीपीएच एफडब्ल्यू मान को गोटे रिक्वेस्ट आपण माने से फंड यूटिलाइज करंतु फॉर ट्रेनिंग ऑफ एएनएम्स ट्रेनिंग सेंसिटाइजेशन गोटे छोटो सेशन आपण माने रिव्यू मीटिंग कला बेले किंबा आपण माने सीएससीएमओ मानकर ट्रेनिंग करी तापरे आपण यू फिल्टर इट डाउन टू दी सब सेंटर लेवल एटा गोटे बड़ विदाउट ट्रेनिंग वी कैन नॉट अचीव so it will be utterly foolish if we say we'll not train them and we'll just ask them to do it. So that is no way to do such a thing. So training plan apna prepare karantu am sangre share karantu if there is a requirement of any fund beyond the campaign fund आपनकर जदि फंड रिक्वायरमेंट ट्रेनिंग पे अछि किंतु जेहेतु एटा ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग हबो एवं एनएचएम गाइडलाइन अनुसार ही आपण ट्रेनिंग करिवे तेणु अकॉर्डिंगली यू प्लान इट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल ट्रेनिंग हाफ एन आवर ट्रेनिंग दरकार हबो बेसी नहीं सो यू डू इट माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स प्लीज conduct the training do not jump or ask the NM to do it all on a sudden je jaldi karo maybe we'll launch in on 1st December but we'll wait till the training is complete in all the sub centers. So that is my suggestion. I hope Director Family Welfare will agree with me that training is very much vital. So आपण माने से दीटा पर फोकस करंतु जदि भी कहार दरकार हुए आपणकर funds should not be a deterrent. So far as OSAX is concerned, funds should not be a deterrent. हमर EMTCT रे फंड नथिले हमें आ कोटू NHM सपोर्ट हो बेसी किछि फंड दरकार हबो नै बट विल ट्राई टू अरेंज फॉर द फंड्स. सो आपण माने ट्रेनिंग प्लान हम संगे शेयर करंतु आ हमें जते शीघ्र पारिबो विल कोऑर्डिनेट आ डीएमआरसीएच मान को रिक्वेस्ट जे एडीपीएचओ टीबी जे कि हमर नोडल ऑफिसर तांको संगे कोऑर्डिनेट करंतु फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम बिकॉज़ विदाउट कोऑर्डिनेशन दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. आ मो एति की कहिबी जे सिफिलिस एला मदर इन्फेक्शन which we seem to have forgotten जदि जनर सिफिलिस अछि सोर अछि अल्सर अछि ताले he or she is more prone to HIV. So हमको HIV रा ट्रीटमेंट डिटेक्शन करबा पूर्वरु सिफिलिस को इक्वल इंपोर्टेंस देके ताको डिटेक्ट एंड ट्रीट करबा को पड़िबो. आ गोटे कथा तृप्ति छाड़ी गला जे डीएसआरसी रे ट्रीटमेंट हबो ओके but all cannot come to DSRC. हमारा जो syndromic management of sexually transmitted disease तार मैनेजमेंट पे ही हमको OSMCL फ्री ड्रग्स दोची थ्रू निरामय हमारा जो 7 किट्स अच्छी सेटा हमारा DSRC रे अवेलेबल अच्छी. सो DSRC रा रोल रहिबो बहुत बड़ इथिरे जे से माने जो माने डिटेक्ट हेले से माने इंफॉर्मेशन पाइला मात्रे they will see that the drug reaches the patient. ट्रीटमेंट हैला बोली करे जेमती हमें एचआईवी पेशेंट को एआरटी दउछु जो मानकर सिफिलिस डायग्नोसिस हबो निरामय रे जो हमर सिंड्रोमिक मैनेजमेंट ड्रग्स अछि सेटा भी पीएससी रे केमती अवेलेबल हबो दैट वी कैन कीप एट द पीएससी न्यू लेवल. तेनु पीएससी न्यू लेवल ले सिंड्रोमिक मैनेजमेंट रा ड्रग रहिबो एवं सेटा देखिबा दुई जनकर दायित्व ऑल द स्टाफ ऑफ OSAX as well as all the DMRCH किंबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट लॉजिस्टिक वैक्सीन एंड लॉजिस्टिक मैनेजर जो माने एडीपीएचओ एफडब्ल्यू का अंडर रे काम करूचंदी एवं टूर करूचंदी से माने देखिबे जे सिंड्रोमिक मैनेजमेंट पे ड्रग्स विल बी अवेलेबल एट पीएससी न्यू लेवल. एटा गोटे आपन को रिक्वेस्ट हमें जदी डायग्नोसिस करबा एंड ट्रीट न करबा इट इज अ वेरी वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग व्हिच शुड नॉट हैपन. सो एटा हमें करिवो आपण माने ट्रेनिंग प्लान हम संगे काइंडली शेयर करंतु एंड बजेट यूटिलाइजेशन जहाँ तृप्ति कहला बाय एंड ऑफ डिसेंबर हमको देखैबा को पड़िबो सो ट्रेनिंग रे आपण जेते पारुचंती कैंपेन फंड यूटिलाइज करंतु दैट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट थैंक यू आई विल आस्क नाउ डीपीएचओ सॉरी डायरेक्टर फैमिली वेलफेयर टू से any reservations or anything we can do further to improve this program thank you
thank you madam sir Dr. Panigrahi sir achanti director sir hello anyway sir दी तीन टा क्वेश्चन थिला मैडम सेथरे चैट बॉक्स रे आसी तो सिफिलिस रा किटा को टेम्परेचर रे रखि परिबा कि बोली पचारि चंती आमे सिफिलिस टा को रूम टेम्परेचर रे रखि परिबेनी काइना बर्तन 2 रु 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड बोली कहै होची तेनो आपण मैनुअल टा को ओपन करिवे कारण मझिरे मझिरे जेतबे आसे आपनकर 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर्यंत पीओसी किट रो किछि पैकेट ऊपर लिखा हिताय तेनो प्रथमे आमे पैकेट खोलला माने एबे डुअल किट नो या परे भी जो लॉट आसीबो प्रथमे आमे मैनुअल देखबे मैनुअल रे कोन लिखा हिची एई मैनुअल रे आसी 2 रु 8 डिग्री ताले आमे 2 रु 8 डिग्री रे ही रखिबो
no Trupti will have to conduct another training of DMRCH and DVLMs
yeah we will do ma'am
we'll do that that is highly required because it's something entirely new there will be confusion so within 15 days we should plan a small meeting small reorientation of all the ICTC councillors as well as DSRC councillors and the DMRCH and DVLM so that is my request to you. So any suggestions from ADPHO FWs of any district how to improve, how our penetration can be improved and we can achieve 100% testing. DSRC councillor माने किछि कहबे कि please यदि के कहबे please unmute yourself and give your suggestion. Nobody.
मैडम नमस्कार मैडम मु आहानारु शशिकांत कहथले मैडम एक्चुअली मैडम एक्चुअली गोटे जिंस होचे हमर जो जिंसडा फील्ड रे मैडम आसुची रिएक्टिव केस तो मोर भी इटा मु टाकल से दिली जो रिएक्टिव केस आसुची दैट शुड बी शेयर्ड विथ द कंसर्न्ड ऑफिशियल सो दैट विदाउट फर्दर डिले दे विल लिंक विथ द कंफर्मेटरी सेंटर
ठीक सेडा वेरी गुड दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू हियर जे हमें डायग्नोसिस कलु हमें ट्रीटमेंट केमिति करबा सेटा हमर आपण जानि नथिबे मु आउथरे भी कहूची सिंड्रोमिक मैनेजमेंट पे जो 7 किट्स हमर अछि स्टैंडर्ड किट्स सबो निरामय रे हमर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल ओनली थिंग हमको एंश्योर करिया पड़िबो जे पीएससी न्यू लेवल ले एटलीस्ट 1 पैकेट अछि सबो में सिंड्रोमिक मैनेजमेंट रो तारो सेटा हमको ओएसएमसीएल संगे कोऑर्डिनेट करिया पड़िबो एंड तृप्ति हैज टू एंश्योर दैट जे हमर माने दिस इज अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स हमर diagnosis of STD is less than diagnosis of HIV testing diagnosis and treatment हमर STD somewhere we have forgotten STD
madam हमर जो
भूलंतु नहीं जे syphilis or any STD is the mother infection it is a precursor for having HIV so we should not forget it and we should treat STD as soon as possible
मैडम आ गोटे जिंस थिला हमर ओएसएमसीएल द्वारा 1 रु 7 किट माने सप्लाई पीएससी पर्यंत मैडम होची तो जोटा की बेले बेले हम भी देखु छी
सेटा हमको एंश्योर करिया पड़िबो जे
हां
हां सेटा हमर डीएसआरसी काउंसिल माने एंश्योर करिवे दैट इट इज अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर
मैडम नमस्कार
प्लीज वन बाय वन
मैडम एक्चुअली जो 1 to 7 किट्स मैडम जो कहले एक्चुअली ओएमसीएल रो अवेलेबल तो मैडम हमको सेमती पेरिफेरी को देबा पई 1 to 7 किट तो मैडम देई नांती ओनली 1 2 दियाइची 5 दियाइची 7 दियाइची एमती दियाइची
ना नहीं सुनंतु चंदन सुनंतु आपनकर
किट दियाई नाही किंतु आपनकर रिक्वायरमेंट हेले आपण इंडेंट करि पारिबे
मैडम से चंदन कर आगोटे कोरी थिला बीपीजी अवेलेबल फैसिलिटी लेवल रे अछि कि बीपीजी वर्तमान आपन को जो किट 3 रे बीपीजी आसुची एजिथ्रोमाइसिन एरिथ्रोमाइसिन आसुची तो आपन कर किट 3 रे टैबलेट फॉर्म रे जहा अछि सेगुडा को सब अवेलेबल अछि आपन इंडेंट
अवेलेबल अछि पीएससी न्यू लेवल ले हां दैट इज व्हाट पीएससी न्यू लेवल ले अछि
किंतु बीपीजी हमें ओसास द्वारा प्रोक्योर करके प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन पई वर्तमान सप्लाई करूछु आ जदी जनरल क्लाइंट पई आपन कर बीपीजी दरकार होची आपन सेटा निदान फंड रो प्रोक्योर करिया पई ट्राई करंतु सेटा को
नहीं मैडम मोर कहवार माने या थिला कि जे बीपीजी टा ओनली एट डीएसआरसी लेवल बट एटा को सप्लाई फर्दर करा जीवो कि सीएससी लेवल की
नहीं
फैसिलिटी माने
सीएससी
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ
लेवल रे जदी सेटा ही मैं आंसर करछि आपन
आज पर रिक्वायरमेंट देबे आज
आज्ञा,
पर
अच्छा।
रिक्वायरमेंट ऑन इंडेंट
आज्ञा।
आपन देबे
अच्छा आ गोटे मैडम आ गोटे जिंस थिला जोटा एक्चुअली फैसिलिटी लेवल रे हमर वीडीआरएल जो टेस्ट सिफिलिस किट रे करा होची सेटा एक्चुअली से माने प्रकृत रे आसी की माने पहुंची पारु नाहंती माने होची कंफर्मेशन पई पहुंची पारु नाहंती
चंदन बाबू
आज्ञा।
कंफर्मेशन पे ही पहुंची पारिबे नहीं nobody will come to
आज्ञा।
DHH HIV is something which is different
आज्ञा।
and STD is something
आज्ञा।
different जोटा कि लोक they tend to neglect हमर प्रॉब्लम काहे के होची हमें नेग्लेक्ट करछु STD को गाटी गेची तो सुखी गला काहे ना most of the source they will heal by themselves with a little bit of antibiotic they'll get from here and there ताकू कहबे नहीं लुचेबे अब एठी सेठू औषध खाई देबे तापरे क्योर हे गले तापरे रही गले but the disease will continue
ना मैडम
and
मैडम
से माने आसीबे
मो
नहीं
कहर माने होची एटा मैडम मु
आपण
कोची
हमर
हेडक्वार्टर रो
ICPC रे पेने
50 किलोमीटर
से आसीबो नहीं ना सेति में आपण PSC न्यू रे रखिबे वी आर ट्राइंग फॉर आमे एई वर्ष चेष्टा करिबु हेल्थ वेलनेस सेंटर रो एमओ मानकर ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करबा को हमर सब एमओ नुआ अछंदी आमे तांको ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करबा को चेष्टा करिबु सो सेति बेले आपण माने देबे आपण कोठी किट कोठी कोन करबे केमति मैनेज करबे एसटीडी से ट्रेनिंग रे हमें कहिबु वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिक्वेस्टेड एनएचएम जते बेले हेल्थ वेलनेस सेंटर एमओ मानकर ट्रेनिंग हो प्लीज इंक्लूड अस से ट्रेनिंग हमें करिबु ऑल आमे निज एफर्ट रे करिबु किबा इन कोऑर्डिनेशन विथ एनएचएम हमें तांकर ट्रेनिंग करी विल ट्राई टू ट्रीट द एसटीडी फास्ट हमें ताको जो प्रायोरिटी दहु ना नाउ वी हैव टू गिव इट फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी जे हमें ताको ट्रीट करी विल गो टू एचआईवी तो समस्तंगर नै किंतु एसटीडी बेसी परसेंटेज लोकंगर अछि व्हिच वी आर नॉट टेस्टिंग बुझिले कि सो विल हैव टू मूव दैट इट सब एका दिन ही परबनी आपण पक्के करी रहिलानी बहुत दिन हेलानी एसटीडी अचीवमेंट हमर भी एते भलो नै सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट एंड सी दैट वी इंप्रूव
ओके मैडम
मैडम मु देवगढ़ कहिया को चाहूजी टिके मैडम मु जो फेस करछि मु डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे एक्चुअली जते बेरे प्रेग्नेंट मानकर आरपीआर रिएक्टिव बाहरुछि बेंजेथिन पेनिसिलिन देवा पई सब डॉक्टर एग्री करू नाहंते ता पई किछि माने करी होबो कि जते
तार अल्टरनेट आपण ट्रेनिंग शेड्यूल ले अछि व्हाई ओसाक्स इज नॉट अ डॉक्टर विल डिस्कस विथ नाको हमें नाको संगे हमें भी डिसीजन नै छु हमको बेंजेथिन पेनिसिलिन प्रोक्योरिंग करबा प्रॉब्लम हे जाउछ सो विल डिस्कस विथ नाको रिगार्डिंग दैट तार गाइडलाइन जो एसटीडी देखिबे अल्टरनेट ड्रग्स आर अवेलेबल अल्टरनेट ड्रग्स जा अछि आपण देबे
मैडम एथरे हमर जदी ईएमटीसीटी कथा को होउची बीपीजी इज द ओनली आंसर मैडम अमृतार जो क्वेश्चन ता थिला जे जदी रिलक्टेंट तो जदी रिलक्टेंट होउचंदी तारा
ओनली आंसर नहीं ओनली आंसर इज नॉट अवेलेबल एनीवेयर इन इंडिया
नहीं मैडम सेटा बीपीजी तो हम औषध किणी के देइछु मैडम
मैडम
के देइछो एबे तो हमें आनिलु जाटू से देला एक्सपायरी डेट कहला मिलु नहीं हो
मैडम गोटे जिंस थिला मैडम एक्चुअली मैडम
that is our internal problem we'll discuss it in our review meeting एबे EMTCT PPTCT ऊपर कार किछि अछि कि कहयो
हां DMRCH किमा एडीएम एफडब्ल्यू एडीपीएच और टीबीके भी अछंती किछि जदी पचारिबे
जदी किछि कहबे आपनक व्यू हमें वेलकम करछु किछि व्यूज दियंतु जोटा कि नेगेटिव थि आपनकर प्रॉब्लम थिबो सो दैट वी कैन रेक्टिफाई दैट एंड वी कैन लुक आफ्टर दैट प्रॉब्लम So Trupti, you can close the meeting now. Give a bit of thanks, Anjana madam ko dei debe and we can close the meeting.
Now I invite our APD madam to give the vote of thanks so that we can close the meeting officially. Anjana ma'am, are you there?
हेलो
हाँ
मैडम नमस्कार मैडम गोटे क्वेश्चन थिला हेलो मैडम
हाँ हाँ
मैडम नमस्कार स्निग्धा को दिले
हाँ
मैडम एक्चुअली जो कॉम्बो पैक रो टेस्ट जो हबो सपोज रिएक्टिव हैला हम बीएचएन रे की यूएचएन रे कंफर्मेशन हबो ना आईसीडीसी के आसी रिटर्न करी कि ताको हम कन्फर्मेशन करबा
जेमिति आपनकर कंफर्मेशन आईसीटीसी रे होतला सेमती ही हबो सेही रेफरल स्लिप नेकी
से ताले एटा सेटा केवल स्क्रीनिंग पई हबो ताले
हां स्क्रीनिंग
हां मैडम ठीक है थैंक यू
अंजना मैडम को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करी सेशन वोट ऑफ थैंक्स से सेशन क्लोज करियते मैडम अच्छंती मो देखि पारुनी अंजना मैडम को एनीवे hello now I would like to thank all the participants, those who are there and for their patience hearing. And we will now look for any other opportunity, as PD Madam has said, maybe within 15 days, in where we can just clarify all our doubts. But in the meantime, I would request that our counselors and the NHM official, whoever is there, if they are going to the district warehouse, just see one manual, so it will be get clarified. At next training session, we will just you can just put all the question which can be again clarified for prior to the implementation of the dual kit. So thank you again to all sir and madam and all seniors and PD madam, APD madam and all, especially director sir and also Sudha madam, those who have participated in the meeting. Now officially we will just close this meeting.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.